So get out your carrots and your onions. Let's get out our food processor. It's gonna be loud. Okay, that was a few pulses. Let me show you the consistency. You see it? Yeah. The reason why you want the walnuts is for that texture too. So we're just gonna basically pulse it 1 or 2 times just to get the walnuts like lightly crushed. Okay, we good? So now get your ground beef out. So we're heating up the wok or deep pan, whatever you have, medium-high heat. I use avocado oil. So you're gonna get your mixture and you're gonna dump it in your pan now. So you're gonna see some of the liquid come out of the veggies. This is a good time to add your meat. So this is the ground beef. So at this point, if you want to make a batch that's vegetarian in the future, this is when I'd just plop in some like diced mushrooms and diced firm tofu, and it works really well. You're gonna want to cook this until there's no more pink or red in the meat. Okay, we're just about there. I don't see any pink or red. So now it's a good time to get your seasonings out. So for this recipe, I asked for garlic powder and also a patis. I say patis, so patis is fish sauce. So if you have fish sauce, use fish sauce. If you don't have fish sauce, just use salt. And also this lumpia recipe works really nicely with a lot of pepper, like a lot of pepper. And if you see the your pan bubbling like crazy, you're like, oh my gosh, just turn it down a little bit. You don't want like an aggressive boil. So I'm not gonna measure, I'm just gonna eyeball it, but it's about a teaspoon, just like a little bit, okay? If you're scared of the fish sauce and how it's gonna overpower, just like start off a little bit and gradually work yourself up. Okay, so I put the fish sauce in. I'm gonna grind some pepper in. So maybe about like 10 rounds if you're using a milk. I'm gonna sprinkle in some garlic powder. Okay, let's start off. That looks like a lot, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Okay, I'm gonna mix it all together and then I'm gonna taste. Okay, let's give another taste. Good. So I think it tastes good. How does everyone else's taste? Have you tasted yours? Good. Nice. Okay. So lumpia filling, done.